Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Dodge Dart, guys, and you're trying to find where the sensor, guys, for the pressure in the AC system is located, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you guys where it's located. It's known as AC pressure switch or AC pressure sensor. Now, if that little bitty switch sensor, guys, doesn't work, your AC will not work as well on your Dodge Dart. Why? Because that switch detects if you have enough pressure in the system to turn on the air compressor. And if you don't have enough pressure, it means you don't have enough freon, and that way refrigerant, guys, and that way it will not activate the AC compressor so it doesn't damage it. Now, let's explain where it's located and what needs to be done to replace it. We will, guys, have more than 200 videos on that Dodge Dart because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. As you can see, guys, we have engines, transmissions, everything's here in the shop. We are taking those engines completely apart, show you how to fix everything on it. So please, guys, subscribe. Now, with the engine out of the way, we can clearly show you where that AC pressure switch is located. That way you get the idea. Now, on most vehicles, guys, and make sure you stand till the end so we can confirm it. On most vehicles, you have to drain your refrigerant, your coolant, before you replace that sensor, because otherwise you're going to leak everything out and you will be under enormous amount of pressure. It can get in your eyes, it can damage your eyes, it can burn you, guys. It's cold, so it can severely hurt you, and it's not good for your health as well. So make sure that you guys vacuum your AC system. Make sure you don't have any freon before you remove and replace that switch. But make sure you stand to the end, guys, because some of them have a special valve that prevents the freon from leaking, so in that case you won't need to. Let's see how ours is now. So with the engine out of the way, we can show you clearly, guys, where that switch is located. Usually, guys, okay, it will be, check it out, okay, right here on the high pressure line. This is, guys, your switch, and that's what it looks like. And disconnecting it, okay, all we have to do, press right here and pull it out. Now, how you guys remove that switch? You need to grab it with a wrench, guys, okay, that size right here, and we will need to go ahead and remove it. As you can see, we don't have any freon in the system because we even have the condenser disconnected, so we don't need to worry about that part. And you will need to hold the line as well to make sure that it doesn't damage when you're trying to remove that, because sometimes they will be super tight. So let's go ahead. Okay, this one wasn't too bad actually. They will have, guys, a rubber seal that can cause leaks as well. So let's see if we can pull that guy out. It gets stuck towards the end. I think the rubber got caught. That O-ring I was talking about, definitely I can see it getting caught. Okay, perfect. Now let's confirm that now. Okay, that switch, guys, you actually do not have to drain your cooling system, because that switch, guys, it has a needle valve that will stop the freon from coming out. So practically you can remove, okay, let me focus here. You can, guys, remove that switch without draining your coolant. That's why I told you need to stand till the end, because not every vehicle does that. And so check it out now, guys. As you can see, you can, guys, drain, replace your AC pressure switch without draining your AC system, your refrigerant. Why? Because you have a valve here, and that valve will close once you start removing the AC pressure switch. This is a 2013 Dart. Hopefully yours is that way too, guys. Otherwise, if you start removing the switch and you start developing a huge leak, then stop, guys, and drain your system. I would recommend to do that anyways, and refresh it. But on our model, as you can see, we have a needle and nothing will come out anyways. And where is the switch now? Right here, guys. If you need to buy a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below, guys. Please make sure, guys, you check it out for your convenience. Putting it together is practically in reverse order. We took it apart. That high part in the center, guys, that's the one that pushes the needle and opens the line so you can so that thing can read the pressure. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.